As a global supplier of essential incontinence products, Attens helps people worldwide, maintaining healthier, happier lives through affordable and effective absorbent hygiene products. We are dedicated to responsible manufacturing, continually enhancing energy efficiency and evaluating the impact of our operations. Sustainability is integrated in everything we do, from our raw material to how we produce and how we transport. Our passion extends to ensuring each person has access to the right products for their needs. This will not only improve quality of life, but also reduce our overall environmental impact. Our life cycle analysis shows that choosing one level lower absorbency can reduce the environmental impact by about 15%, and 2 levels lower can reduce the impact with up to 30%, often with no noticeable difference in everyday use. Our goal is always helping consumers and professionals to understand our assortment and finding the right product. Attens' range of certifications show our continuous pursuit of sustainable solutions. Our products are produced by using renewable energy. Attens has secured 95% cut in Scope 1 and 2 emissions since 2004, achieved through cleaner energy and efficiency improvements. The majority of Attens absorbent incontinence products are certified with the Nordic Swan Eco label, demonstrating compliance with strict criteria for environmental performance within their product category. All fluff pulp used in the manufacturing of Attens products comes from suppliers that are certified according to PEFC. This means the cellulose in our products originates from sustainably managed forests and controlled sources. The majority of Attens incontinence products carry the Ercotech Standard 100 label, assuring that every component is free from harmful substances. At Attens, we care about people, our community, and the planet.